sounds like something out of an old Clyde Fitch play.
Clyde Fitch, himself, was well before my time.
I've always denied the legend you were in our American cousin. I didn't think you shot.
I don't think that's funny.
Of course it's funny. This is all too laughable to be anything else. You know what I feel about this age obsession of yours, and now this ridiculous attempt to whip yourself up into a jealous rut because I spent 10 minutes on the stage struck with you. 20, 30 minutes, 40 minutes, what up?
Stage struck kid. She's a young lady of qualities. And I'll have you know I'm fed up with both the young lady and her qualities. Studying you as if I were a play or a blueprint, how I walk, talk, think, act, sleep.
How can you take offense at a kid trying in every way to be as much like the right age as possible?
Stop calling her a kid. As it happens, there are particular aspects of my life to which I would like to maintain sole and exclusive rights and privileges.
For instance, what?
For instance,
This is why you take me in my arms and reassure me. But I'm not going to. I'm too mad.
Guilty.
Mad. Darling, there are certain characteristics for which you are famous. On the stage and out. I love you for some of them in spite of it. I haven't let those become too important. They're part of your equipment. You're getting along in what is laughingly called our environment. You have to keep your teeth sharp. All right.